He did there for 16 years. He did there for 8 years. He did there for 18 years. Where government your way? Error. You know there. You know there. I say you know there. You know there. But if you go to Ovia, if you go to Hunde, you go see what the politicians do for Ovia. You go see what the politicians do for Hunde. Now, this man is not telling you, say, we are very rich. True. And you know, say, I don't talk, I just say, Manya ye no ibuse wotedo. Manya gas no ibuse wotedo. E kokono ama we a palm ye no. You kodo on sakomba, you kodo on yaye. But tell me, what the government don't do for that place? When we say yet the youth or our papa can see it, I didn't embrace it. Error. Only what they can do for us is that we do suffer a borehole. They have to dig water for borehole. But when we pass Morocco, enter us, we constantly degrade them, say borehole and nothing. That is where many of our sisters, our brothers, if you go to their house where they be for their papa, their mama, you will see borehole for inside. We degrade politicians for that. My two people, this man, we know. Well, yes, whatever he describes, whatever he drafts, when he drafts it to you, when he describes it to you, if you don't love, you will love. If you don't know how to love, you will love. If you don't know how to like, you will like. That is Edo State governor. When he may own, but I don't give my very young mama. Well, yes, I'm aware no man you book, but not doing me a mean when I am in a book. That is the reality. I'm aware the men I draft. I'm aware the men I draw. I'm aware the men I pet, but not the way. That is the problem. I say, man, I'm here where a not draw anymore. Man, wow, that no crack. I wear this gilly. Also, not draw a don't cargo airport. I'm not draw anymore. Man, I went, wow, we're going to land for a Thursday. Wow. Where is cargo airport? Sote, when only yes, kuse. On a mere yatawe. Now, 10 years or 8 years, hunger will hit Nigeria. As he draw that map, they give her money, make it a whole farm, make the hunger not hit Edo State. My people, last, after in prophecy, where the hunger hit Edo State, God will not pass the seafood give us. No. So the one where they produce for other states, where federal buy, they can't even give her 20 truck. God will go hide them. It is sharing for his member, we loyal to them. This is the person that collects about 7.something billions to 8 billions for Sobe farm. Where is Sobe farm? They say chairman of Sobe. That one don't use doing it. That one guy got to know Baseki. That is a governor that tell you say now we can see and a technocrat. You can't even see chairman of Sobe we even down. We will not talk about it touch that. Now it's going just for few months now, a month. All what he have promised, he have never forfeited. He's going. But we not say yes. He still have audacity to draw, to paint, to map. That is why Ugo Road, where Godwin Obaseki is saying contact between Ugo and Ewesi. I described what make Godwin go to that road. Now, because of the Ewesi land and Ugo between Ewesi and Ugo land, where he said, give a private sector. Those private sector are not paying. Now I make Godwin go there. And he whole business they inside there because why? Those private sector, he have his own share for the company. Because he have a no-gi. Or Dwekini, a no-gi Ewesi. And all back we are, but God will not basically use the power, government power. They select everybody. I said, when we see where protest is remote on him. Nobody take them from them. And if we not back we know. And we saw no gear we or we saw no gear. Now suspend the God will not basically really take him. Just like what still happen for Horomi and Okoroma. All those no gear where they suspend. I can swat them, Greg them. But they are still parading. Their land, God will not basically sit down, they sell land to private sector. Two those no gear. And all suspend them. We are calling on what it down here. When I will Tamira in Tamu. Why say, Amigo, Ariane never. I can't tell you to when the ego give America. When not there by your time, yes, a mere short day, in a mere sinati. Then yes, day. But do not pass a kick by tears or partner. Then your partner, no, who you tell us. What promising I, or wake up near Muiva, or what if you ever see Kadu, I was that near a book, and I okay, a short book with Wesson. The bomb we have been near Benny, let them go to be working with that company. And I don't know, God doing that, and we company with guy. Now, still cassava that they plant there. And the people will get the land before. Now, cassava that they use and plant. God will still collect that for private sector. He collect that for the he sell that for private sector. Those private sector they use and milk cassava, cocoa and yam. Then they can't go China. They can't go Lebanon. Then they can't go South Africa. Now, the people when they will get the land now, they're not going to see farm carry again. So they run out for protests. They call for the king. They know say Edo State government. Now he collaborate with the Enogie. In the community, sell the land. Land where you know say they don't sell for 3 years ago, or before 4 years ago, that protest happened. That place, since nobody talks, and that private investor, they are still doing their activity there. tend to mute the activity to bring it to public. If that road is not good, where they have to tie that road so that their food or whatever they milk for the land, it can come out. And inside there, so that waste territory. There is oil, there is gas. God do not basically sell it for private sector. They use that road. They carry all those things come out. Tell me one favorable when you can do for the community. So they as they inaugurate the roads, they even tell them say he get interest. That is a governor who they go tomorrow will not do well. And the interest when you get now they describe to you. God do not basically before he became a governor. He was a private investor, real estate investor. They know a real estate investor. He was no motor here. Here we never do. Here one motor ne get that. Here we never do $1. Now, if you have a here, you need to go out there. When you don't tell us maybe or you don't tell us maybe 5 billion or 2 million or 2 billion. Now, other money I don't hear now. I won't buy a kid do 2 billion. Other way about maybe you have bello wire, maybe you have ball wire. I won't buy a kid day maybe 200 by 200 with 2 billion. Ubega egon we go ne. And don't Tony. Emi and I have one you are charge. In the air, mayor, another real estate too. Now, another private setup of you and I think don't go the community do it. But my ever pressure do I will value no good one. No fine. I'll be under 1 million. Now, all you are private investors. Based on government from when you are all you are 50 billion. Now, we're not here now the 1 million or 2 million. I say 2 years or 1 year, even when nobody holding direct on the you know 50 billion or pan anything no like you Tony. E man not do it. Okay, and or your mammy work bene or your mammy what on. That is the plan of Godwin Obaseki in Oriomo in Edo South. So te honor declare okay. No a plan of get military do me at all. Honor declare where you ma only the arts as an okagele because a yamakwe a plan of. But now my God, let them tell me the plan where Godwin Obaseki have. And true. Or where you never work binogun. Or say the West in here. Or turn away si down. Or tell us. Uronigbe. Or turn to Uronigbe aside down. Oh, Ropa, the Babu Mogun. I will turn get ben your palm my catabon. But to boy ever Uronigbe. Rude rubber plantation. Oh boy ever a West in there. Rude tell us in no moon. A China near Yamu guy. Now, because of that private investors, ni ekie, ni emwige. On a river, Yahweh, you 5 kilometers near. But what I only want to take on winner. This is the man, not where anything road federal or Mataye. Anything I get Bini Abrata road or Mataye, a Boado or a Tunubo. Now, based on win, I don't win. This man is not telling you where yes, Oriomo, he get interest for Oriomo. Now I'm telling you as a son of Oriomo, as a papa, as a mama from Oriomo, where interest where you get now to constitute that land where we take the carry farm for many years. Now to constitute that farm where we take be Oriomo. No, I'm go work there. We know how to work our heart end. Eri mama mai, iji mama mai. That is how we grow. Ugbo ma work be. You understand? Eri me amugbo. If it come for the time of harvest, now the whole community now they come follow my papa come out for bush. Ifugari, Kokonya, now make us be Oriomo. Okay there. You understand? So many things when God do the Basaki no say yes, we use and do. Many of us don't come up for us. Many of our papa don't die. Few way they close to us as politicians. Like somebody like Chris Nekari. Now they don't go team with God do the Basaki to sell Oriomo lands. They don't go team with God do the Basaki to make sure say where all Oriomo land in the Mayamugbo a yak yoga a one ni matia private investors. I mean will tell you where do I slave you? A kinelata dono. Now, not down your info. Before I continue the one, I don't talk and
and also has a large amount of natural gas. Oriomo is the hub of it.
Better, me after any man, I describe it. And the man, Bobo Kake, but me, my latte do. No, I'm a plan where you don't have back. On my own latte do be man where Oriomo give me, oh yes, I'll give me a gas. Even when I get a body with honor, my heaven or Jay Oriomo. Be my one day we go, Yoko, why go the other day. The government is oh, yeah, those get to more. If I don't have to buy the VA, you are it. Oriomo, yeah. And where see Umogun, na for all those Sakomba, he go to do. They cannot hear Oriomo. Now, what do we know say we get? But if your party Magualos is there, ni Magualo of Oriomo on all as a governor. No making now with me Oriomo. That is why we were supporting Pastor Sage Izeyamo, who come for that go to do. The circle of that will be and we see Umogun Ogo and etc. Who know what we get? No, yeah, with minimum. Only man support for 8 years, nothing you bought. Now, on Amure, easily no what job begele. ogbe PC, ogbe PDP no beje. When of one and bele ya so te traditional ruler in emia on records. Now it's not telling you where mama ye, mama goat, mama to, mama mia. Ye woni ye do gbe magwe. Oni omo no fu gwe ye woni ye mu ni ma ya tia ye ni ma tia gele support ni emuri o mamure. Okay pada. E ke no ka o kana to re ni ma kana vie mi na te. Amet katapila una de mi no igbe na te cargo. E ke no kana to re o wi ya boy ni ma. If you do one no do boy ni ma. There gas no wi ma me na is the largest place no give a gas is a volume. There gas in your domain, man. And he have been taking it for 8 years. He wants Aswan Igodaro to continue taking it. That is why now we are just 5 kilometers so that Aswan are here in your area because of draw a map in there, or he take a traditional ruler, or he take a no gain of or he talk again. Now, Aswan that don't have here in winning a continue to me where Oriomo, and we know that about money we do here. They don't want to Mabuano. I will not carry near or a village or whatever to win no time. Ni mage mi no a local government no kere so that oga ma do yon ma ewe if you know your local government organi ma no e ma no do yon I do sat there area wara ye by mistake your boy asun yeke oh god if you ko yon ma ni wa le fiwo ma mo ewe bo ma me ego ma mi ya ma wa re I ma vie security gwa ya ka gbele bo ha wa ka so be protest but okay severio ni matari budu na ruta we boy ma te na o pe ana gbe 8 years ni na ni o ka igba be 8 years ori omo ma benefit mi opa bo boy ori omo me mi opa ni ma da yi we yes ona ma mi e wo bari oba o no give me ma do win na ero ha be tawa be mugbo na ori omo mugbo me na mugbo o me po be ya e god no ba se ki ma mu go give ori omo ni ya mugbo ona mu ari so be ona mu ari do not ona mu ari do sat ona mu ari edo central if you go ori omo wa no e mugbo no mu do not no mu do central nebo now okay pa na ni e ba yen do ewe yen me mani yokori omo morion iviedo odogbima ogari asun Igodaro nuwa wakari ojagbe ifi yokori omo wakari ojase nu waya ehu wakari ojase aba nu waya oyi go gado funwa ya ga so no mukun e kota ri yo na ni even e mo no ri boyo bayeke e godun no ba se ki kule yakwa all the name of se we yen ga kule no e ya o ni owo abo o ma si ibese ga yan hin even we e me na le do awon na we e no ge we si ru we and they don't get away now. Almost 10 years they got away 4 years ago. At the time when I no you go, because if anyone you go ba, who we bari je mekere, e no you mo e ka mo bowo, e no gide no gi, we no gi gba tebe ye, o de e no gi na ga mi. E wo na wa e go mo gi. E no gi kire ka bi amo bowo. But all what I say it come to pass. And I mean e no gi ologbo no wa mo bowo, o run me no. Ugbe me fa ka gbe, ona wi egbe bu buni. Have you ever seen a no gi ologbo for the mix? A no gi ologbo we obokame e je yan. As I blow the whistle, my wife, papa, now about 100 years now. When he hear you cooking, or you can even a no you look, or can join. Before you know what today, all one reaction, you get your time. Have you seen a no get logo manipulating with the but I do that job because I relate to me as my ilo. As you speak now, my wife Simbliss, he put there for work for logo. So for Oriomo when I for come, I know say this man, they don't want me know what we Oriomo. If you don't want your boy yeke, Muya, or Timeni Miado give my waba, or the chairman of PDP in Edo South, Honorable Newman Ugiawe, is my cousin, is my senior brother. But the little time we take Magbe will wado ya joya. A mirror on the avenue to have the time. Now let's play God on a voice finish.
Gas system in Nigeria, a little bit. So given the opportunities in this local government, I thought that as a government, we must begin to demonstrate that Oriomo is very viable. Oriomo is a place to be.
As a government, now you want to begin to demonstrate where Oriomo is very viable. Oriomo is big. Yet remember, the last time Oriomo, people will check your time where you have for government house now. You know this 2 months again. Why be say, as Oriomo stand for you rich, they even betrayed their own son. Pastor Sagie say, "Yam wait follow you contest." So tell you cry, come and say you win. Osagie say, "Yam local government, he go to do." Tell me what you have done for Oriomo. Before you come known and say, yes, Oriomo is there vital to you. When we know say, yes, you are going very soon. When we know say, yes, you already have problem with traditional rulers. When we know say, yes, you already have problem with the political leaders under PDP that brought you to power for the second time. Not APC where you for take the first tickets. Problem full everywhere. Now then you can't have Oriomo from that. No. You can't come sell out for private sector. Now you go hide for Kogi or hide for data. You go from data, they enter Oriomo, then they collect your DV. All your resources where you put for them. Now, what do you want to do to Orion with that? Because we are very close to data there. So everything we they get now, in case not taking, you they from data they can collect them. We never even come up for power. That is why in your time for second time of Togba, Governor Okowa, the former governor of Delta State, he can't tie road for Isa Orion. So that means if they carry many things they enter through Agbo. Waiting make and tie that road. I mean you not see that road. Where Okowa tie 4 years ago, the time of Togba. And then I got to know Basaki. I said, well, Orion leaders, we must talk to you people. And from next week, matter will start from there. Because why? 2 weeks to 3 weeks to election. Orion don't fool of data people. Agbo and Yoma, they don't fool Orion with their PVC. That is what Governor Okowa did 4 years ago. That is what Yossi Wike and Governor Okowa did for this man. And this man, you say, now my leader, strong leader for Isa PDP for Orion. Now he called me 4 years ago. He said he talk back. Because he knows me, I be vibrant soldier under Pastor Sagi. He called me. Said, they wasted time. Election, I want to campaign. Now, Baba Waguta is a political strong leader under PDP there. But he knows not truth at the talk. Or when election, I want to vote in it. I said, well, some people they cry and say, God, will ring the election. But if APC not start, will not say yes. Amen. I believe not in why. I said, well, it's on one area. ITV, Arise TV, Mona make sure so they complete on a tongue. Una talk to God Almighty before una wake up. As when they wake up, talk to God Almighty, say, whatever you are doing, let God know Pastor Sham never hold you. Because many of them they misquote and they misuse. So that PDP will skip time before you know it will be spreading. Well, yes, all one is supporting you. So you people as a leader under APC, you people should be careful whatever you people do this time around. Because why? Now scammer and fraudster, now they play with. The 2 political wolf one they play with now. And I'm have described it to us. They are very scam for scam. They are very fast for scam. They are very fast for frost. They are very fast anything forgery, perjury. They are smart for that. I saw in Godaro Agbadun Obaseki. Now wait, yes, there be Lagos boys. Those are Oluwole boys. They are Lagos boys. Anything you do with them, check their document very, very well. If not, you are finished. I don't know, operate a bank, operate a real estate investment. Fear them. They are a fun one. And inside there, so they be land grabber. Talk like say they can't get political power. All we're phone, they'll finish you with scam documents. Scam. You said best now, stop, you have to on a scam. That is why 4 years ago, 5 years ago, and I'm going to cry, come and say, for Osadebe Avenue, Osagbo, you are not tended to scam house. Now, government stamp, area stamp fraud, Yahoo. And I'm going to tell you 4 years ago. Because my government will there's a bit print documents, there's a bit print, there's a bit read, but may they can't do it. Now, be the problem. They know what to be theory, but may they follow the practical. Now, the problem. If you say a lie, tell me what God do no Basaki. Tell you for theory, where you clap for, where make you vote for. Tell me what I do for practical. Or where papa. Don't wear the level. Theory not away. Don't wear possible. Theory not away. But what is a practical where there's a bit printing, there's a bit writing, but to can't do them. That is why if they catch mother go confused. But they go use them blame. Now so they hold those state for 8 years now. If you say now, like, tell me what they achieve. And I'm a governor renovates. He go bring a civil servant from another country, from another state, make the country teacher, those one I can't take over the job. Now all those one I can't pay 70,000. All the people I'm talking to you. Now, let's go there and finish.
Council Chairman Honorable Newman Ugiagbe, who was elated, appreciated the governor for his developmental stride in Orion local government area.
We want to appreciate you on behalf of Orion people, especially.
That is why I said, let me command glass on this. Honorable Newman Ugiagbe is my uncle, is my brother. I can say, I know how he take grow. If you too senior me, if you be 3 years or 4 years, or 5 years, now you too senior me. So that kind of person, you don't know how he take grow. And he grow for community. Where me day, where they forborn me. So that kind of person, you don't know how he take grow. More will they talk true to? Now my person. And I inside my family. Yes. Newman go school. After he finished for in whole community, Okogbo community, he go primary school and secondary school there. Right my egg, get admission to Uniben. Fine. He go school. He read medicine. And medicine I read. Because why? In Papa na doctor. Ugiagbe to boy. Na doctor. In their house, I feel say na dead for me, but not be there. Many young whatever, I feel say na dead for me. Newman senior sister, the same papa, the same mama, we be twins. When their senior son buy after the wish of Okogbo buy, now my papa has to come buy. When my papa try to save that pikin, my papa be don't buy follow him. Now another senior wish, now I can save my papa. They can't take that pikin. Newman Ugiagbe. How we take relate? Make this is politics time. You have to say the truth. Let your people know. Say yes. Or we're not getting them. After Newman finished Uniben, now he can take over in Papa Medicine for Okogbo community with motorcycle. Now he take the seller for Okogbo community to my community. If Newman come our house, now he the stopping machine. Our house very close to school. Our house very close to anything tradition they do for the community. So now that be the highest. But forget say market far from us. But now my family now for corner, my family house now in the shade in market. After he don't sell for a community Okogbo and we go now leg now we take the water. And now so we sit married. Now so the family sit share. Now one family. Newman after graduating, he come to sell medicine based on a medicine already. That medicine when they sell chemist, look out of a back of machine. In Papa get store for a house for Okogbo community, close to market. Now my brother, waiting, you know, say yes, he can't be before I will talk about. But this is politics to save everybody. He said that so he graduate finish, he said the medicine as chemist, machine, community to community. Okogbo, have you go? All those small doing Igwe, where you are close to them there. In Papa city, the main store for Okogbo community. Now, as he do, things not day well. Because a graduate, things not right well. Newman come plan to Japa. You understand? As a gamma, they run things for that. He gets senior sister. We senior and we even go school. We fine. They're my seniors. They be my senior sister. They know me very well. They are among the one way train me. But not be saying I help, they help me. Based on my papa do for them. Because now my papa now be their godfather. Even Kenyan Newman to boy, who get to boy, any more a godfather there. But let me just continue. So that as a politician, we talk and well. He call this time now, the medicine not call the first way. But say don't be big boy, fine, fair, fun boy. That's so it Japa. As a Japa, the company I say man, they return her back. But I say yes, they return her back after Japa sometimes. It cost to prepare again to Japa. And the last Japa when Japa, we know the scenario we play. But based on Stumble Boy, when things they go, not be waiting to talk for media. Even the scenario, he affects the full community. But now he take Japan, now he run. This new man, so as he run, now he enter Greece. That and Greece, now the rain. 98, 97, 98, 99. Now Greece, now the rain. Now new man, Japan enter Greece. Those are men where you see the plates they made. We sell CD plate for Greece. My people, new man help his brothers. He help his assemblies. Even helps from my assemblies went close to me from my community. But we were close to as a young boys, youth that I know help us. All those kind of I go swear a machine in Oyaku, a machine in Adoyo, I go swear Laworo, because our house now in this state. You know help any one of us. Now, Econ Day. You know all those guys where they do one thing for one and this. Now those ones start Yahoo now. Make a plus after now. Now those ones start Yahoo. As the Nako Ibo bros, Newman descend with about 21 cars, I be 18 cars without documents. Now you step away with me now. Yeah, later, are you? Now, my uncle, now politician, but politician where say go do for his people, now we want, not be stomach infrastructure politicians. Because we know Mabu Wama there. No Mabu White TV Mabu there. As I when I hear information, where yes, even in Mamma Dolorium, and you pay name, made a decamp, 5 million, 5 billion. Make people feed the camp, John Godin University. But that money was there. There was a man low and no young, and I mean with train of Bunia. No many of them, the youth, they can not get any bauge. No one of them did better things. Better to sell their papa land and vigilantes. And they come for that. The community waiting for come now they talk about so. And as me here say, I don't even hear say, a new man will drag or talk about it. They can neither get it. Or we drag anyone for business of things, for seller, may the information not pay. So they have spoke to a no gain or rebel. But they know you go now my no go so I can't work with you. Through this boy, Norita Losagi, who shut talk back when he descend. When he see the calamity, what did happen? Even this guy will see the campaign for Godwin Obaseki, where he still come from Okogbo community. I don't forget the guy name. The guy they talk where they vibrate. The guy they do fan work. Now from Okogbo community. All those guys now they don't sleep there. Or they don't give them one kind of person where not going to talk. That guy they vibrant before. I don't forget. Now my uncle. Now my person now from Okogbo community. You understand? My people, as Newman descend to Nigeria. Oh Bob, if you see something when Newman bring come for Europe, everywhere full. Oh when Newman who were up Church of God mission. Here go you one you. Ma Bogwani. Oh you Julius Boga Bogwa. So 2,000 workers. The men of 1 year must say, oh 1 year now. You guys webo. That program a film in out in you guys webo. Oh when you money out which are but me take back I walk you one. It's all in a demo. My people. After everything, Numa can call us because he deport himself with all those goods. He just did, not doing things. But at the time, so bro, a leader women know. Me can use myself to make example. Obama is saying, he might do okay. Sanogo do okay, Sanogo boss me. But ni me, ni area where yes, of your motor nothing for this community. In my job, I know how many giveaway I don't go do for my community. But me will be new man. That is a PDP leaders. That is a leaders. Ni me where yes, you cannot take care of all those things. One, if you have no be gene, ni me where yes, Evani, or Tieni Mena, you call him Mamia JJ, if you do. Imam your pan a new man, employ. I will get this person is working under God of Pasaki regime. But in the time of Toba, Ave Francis ya, a PDP, Luru, but any man who ya don't pay. Or Avigo community. Yasek Besset Namwes say na. Yasek Benamwes say na. In your way don't pay. Or carry the community. SSA, Mammy 1 month. Now, Newman and Abat, because Mama Abat come from my community. Now, they're runner. Then I go. Those guys, when you for that years in the time of Toba, or near can support it, in your back, can you have vigilante where they come put them? All of them are Newman Junior brother. If you remember, all of them are Newman Junior brother. If you don't see me, all of them are Newman Junior brother. Then we not talk about your community. Mona tell me how many Newman don't give power, Newman don't employ. When we say yes, he go say one carry got to Nabasa collect on the land. From Orion, Mona get sense. And then no do. If the Newman have your fairness, Newman will get or fairness. If any if na effect head down, you know, and do allow politics there. Who do have effect head down? Who you want? I said Newman to you. Tell me if the Newman who you go. The last time I checked, the second blow after the Busama Munavigo, the second blow no Munavigo, and Matthew Oroide, the DD of APC, diaspora, Okpawolo Cape, Yomu Yavigo, through my family too. They must see them. Matthew Oroide, how many the second blow your community in Anabinuma? When he was a senator under PDP, my brothers following campaign. They must see all of them. All those one my uncle them. Now because of that, Oroide, Matthew Oroide, Nabidomwe, one ball, another move by me. Abusama boy, Abusama Mure for 96, I've been 97. No, make no mistake, 98, 99. The commission. The first regime of Igbenedion, now they put the first ball for our community. Who built that ball? Who bring that ball? A rich man from our community. Abusama. Now he built that ball. But he can't carry Lucky Igbenedion and Biado may come and they can't open that ball. Newman, no care around that God in Obasaki, what I one no do me ball here. Okobo, Igwe, Udwamuna Igwe, Avigo, ni Ekereni, ni Enake Bobio Hayeni, one no Edem, no Yeriani. Error. But me, I don't hear say where you make you tell Okobone based on other politics, based on other real estate investments. Because when the case reached my ear, I not to put here, but I know say where a new man they use political power to oppress some people there. Even they call the Okagele and Inata. Those are my brothers. But tell me the frustration of God in the Basaki, no Rokobo, no Ravigo, no Rigwe, no Rigomina, no Igbekwe, no Rebasobe. Error, and they tell it to get when you man. I was going to Christian Ikai. They set your way with that. Yago Daniela show a day with an okay. Then you don't money the affair, but no Basaki when you are tired. I know that with that. Who go and see here. The Christian Ikai, the commissioner of the NDC, other God in the Basaki, I be the commissioner of what? Yage, oh, they're not carry. The commissioner of palliative. I don't know how to get palliative again or the Brixon. Yaga cannot carry away. Yago de no. But no pass my bed for 8 years. Only my bed for 8 years. In an age one, they're not going home again. Our community is just 16 kilometers away, 15 kilometers away from Ring Roads to Abraka Roads. It's not far from Benin, but there is no development. A primary school by can Obemudiamu community of Maoro, secondary school Rokobo, and when Newman. Tell me, if really say yes, Newman and his government they have anything to offer for Orion. Why in whole government not provide those things? And I mean, there is nothing you can benefit from God for that cycle. Niwaka, Ekene will make it back. Or Nikezeka from Evarwe. Yala do. Or Yala Gomokwa, from Igomokwa to Idu, from Idu to Agogwe, from Agogwe to Abigo, from Abigo to Okobo, from Okobo to Eweya, from Eweya to Igwe, from Igwe to Igwe, from Igwe to Basobe, from Basobe to Ugoko, from Ugoko to Ugo. Tell me what did this man do for that area? If you tell me the oil and gas within that cycle, when I can show. Bros, if I follow my father go farm, it get where we go dig land rich. You will see all here. It gets some circle of land for my whole community. Then we know they enter, they will say cheap as all those animal with danger, coyote, and then they that side. That's why my papa they tell all that time. But that there, it gets swamp. It be like swamp, like river. Later, for these 100 days, they say they can't discover those people that they do pots. those designer pots, when they take the designer, the material boy, and my ego wrote on it. As we speak now, Godwin Obaseki collaborate with some people in my own community, New Man in the way. They said that site to China. China can share as they give the community. You know, I never know by Godwin here. They can't give them some money. All those who I can call the youth, they can share 1,005 to the youths. Who do those things? They are close to New Man. You have a New Man, and the New Man understand the business money. Tell me, how many have you got the work for that company? Near here in China, who will reserve? No. Whatever come out from there, in a better package direct to China. You see, as in our social media, thank you for coming for us. We the less privileged, we the smoother civilians, we can explain our feeling. Even though the English is not complete. Now that concern because they know say if we sharp, the way they say they sharp, they're not going to steal our papa property. They're not going to steal our property. They're not going to do anything because why the school where they say they go, we go. This technocrat where they say they be, now we still be. But for based on saying that their papa now enter the government, their papa come make they go school, they can't destroy the state, they destroy the community, make school not exist. Now if we speak, they will say we'll be illiterate. They will say we'll be primary school dropouts. Now they cost some more. But their papa carry our money, carry they go overseas, go do one for them. Now that's they come now. Not be say as their papa carry they come out, the overseas where they go, they see something bring for that side. No, now in Morocco. Now they go smoke that side. Now, they don't say the school where they say they go, how they speak English. They want to use that advantage, come rob your fatherland, hijack your fatherland, sell your property, sell the humankind, sell the love, sell the unity. They will bring disasters, they will bring haters, they will bring segregation, and they will bring bye to us. Go and check Godwin Obaseki. If waiting I talk so, he have never existed under his regime. Call me, say, I know they lie, or I know they broadcast. But now waiting I know say everything happened. The governor will declare cultist. But as you speak, cultist is still operating. Before he declared them, he don't go pay 100 million naira to them. Make the shell and 20 million to their leaders. Based on saying that blood will be say Lucifer will make it a drop. Now those who are continuing to prepare themselves. He can't use vaccination command. If I see when I get wanted, school, land, even in my office, as we speak now, tell me, you never yet buy. Through our less way we get for here, when they talk about the apagba. We don't see here. Edo people, Odomo people. A man don't pay voice and any work by any no tangbe. Why they video no water?
To a wisi, where alugo. The one time to sincerely no.
Ultima no go na, me ma woni yeri go. You understand? E dikini ma ugi agbe is my senior bros. Omaya, mokpa you know. Na very greedy man. I know be so papa be. I know papa very well. Papa know me very well. Make you know me again because papa don't pass away. You understand? Newman, the mama we born Newman papa. Na is still born, na is senior, the one we born my papa. Born and one will take close reach. Mama we born you my papa. Na is still born my papa. But you see how we close reach. But as we speak now, no Avigo community, no Okogbo community, where you for come, no Igwe or a Weya community who have benefits under this government in Niger. Error. Or what we not vient, you vient. Error. He said there so, Honorable Asoro, the former speaker of Edo House of Assembly, who were Benokiri, go tell me what Asoro do for, who were community in Italy. Error. Now land and real estate investments and how to use that place to cast vote for Godwin Obaseki. Now they do. But if you talk about new development, error. Even though we better we are talking about private, when we say, if we're not a community, you cannot engage. You go still sit there for streets. Only what they can proud of. Say, yes, I am a community youth. I am forced with that way. I hold up back here. You go see AK-47 for their hands. You go see pump action for their hands. They say they are vigilantes. If you check Godwin Obaseki family, if you check Newman family, if you check Asoro family, I believe you will not see one youth will be vigilantes. Maybe their papa, their mama. You not go see vigilante inside. Because they're blessed the second mokbai. Stomach infestation. You not go see vigilante inside. But if you see the people when they shout, Ogba, follow them. Wear out from mask, PDP from head to toe. They are still suffering. Now only vigilante if they see I'm not begging you. They about origin as a community youth. By the time when they want to use them as a political talks or as a political heritage, no benefiting you see the use. So, people, I want to beg you, I want to urge you for you to listen to Godwin Obaseki, you know where okay to a motive vanopa. Àwọn ẹ̀bùn yẹn wẹ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ mú wá ẹ̀ ọ̀dọ̀ gbọ́ yóò tọ̀ ìkéṣ ni ẹ̀mú dena succeed ìyẹn dògá ọ̀gá àwọn dórí ọmọ yìí obi ògbóná ọ̀sìnkẹ̀ yóò kórí ọmọ wa ọ̀yà tó táyò tẹ́ gbùpá wa whatever come out from orí ọmọ 4 years ago ìyẹn súpò from Agbo to Ronigbe àbí to Ronigbe or to Ubiaroko no Agbo to Ronigbe or Igbolaba to Ubiaroko ìyẹn súpò la where they take back Agbo people Anyoma people come vote for Benin under Godwin Obaseki regime. I said, well, he may vote in a Godwin Mula de Modiamo. If you don't want to how the name of say, well, if I say, make I give a gap. A PDP strong leader don't come and say, my son, 2 weeks ago, I hit the election. Governor Kowa, Yossi Wike, they make sure say, well, you call your or I you call here, near I call my Larry. I said, well, Edo State PDP, especially Edo South PDP, please. Una go feed that orion. Any other time last year where whether was above Vulekwe, we don't want to hear that noise. Oh, I want to take work for APC. And where am you? Oh, my amu yabout. Atakaro de yamu yabout. Papa yamu yabout. So Papa Mari Altedo. So Papa Mari go battle. So Papa Mari go battle. So Papa Mari party the PDP and the APC. If we are the Labour Party. So Papa Mari let vote Papa. Talk less where Akpako means an oreva. Is a son of the soil, not tested poverty, never in my tested. He was not born in body spoon. He was not born as the born Godwin Obaseki when we say they use Edo state money to take care of as one family where he invaded. No, he was not born like that. He even born as an orphan. He could live, a mama could live him as a rest in peace. His papa could live him as a rest in peace. He grew from offer to offer. He suffer with it be mama care, he suffer with it be papa care. He know what it be community help. He know how he take grow. So yes, he grow from street to street. All the name was in that community. Before he can't get time to go for education, now picking will be saying, yes, he don't see your buy, he don't see me. He don't say, well, yes, as if papa will live and mama will live on. If really say that government will get better system, they go rescue him. They don't rescue him. He try to rescue himself and he vow. Say, yes, waiting he experience, it will never happen. First of all, when he went to senator, he demanded for his people to let him go to senator. Let him go and explain his feeling. What government have done to make sure say, well, if you are an offer, you don't get papa, you don't get mama, your own don't finish. But for Europe, if you are an offer, you don't reach. Government will use money blow you anyhow. Education and bonge, because they don't want you to feel and say, yes, things like that, you pass on. That is Europe. That is a good leader. That is the mission where we will have from it. It's an offer. Who knows say, yes, he never, let me say, experience the benefit from the papa, from the mama. He grow from street to street. He managed from man to man. Heart to heart, love to love. Not be say their mama keep them for inside cage as a big man children. Begin they use body spoon, they feed them. It not like that. Not be say their papa keep them for inside one big compound. If they bring sales there, bring everything and make they take care of them. It not be like that. Anything benefit from the government as an offer, it not seen. Just like as we decide, say we the wounded civilians. When we know say waiting on the enjoy now, we support to enjoy that together. But based on saying on the papa fair there, who not tell the narrative to take care of our stomach infrastructure. Now we will use media for you people to get and go to. We are the wounded civilians. Now, why would respond like that? You suffer. For them, you say, well, yes, if you not put education small, after when you suffer finish, now suffer, you could still continue. He now try to put education in the old age, and he get it clear. Now, me, I don't say, well, yes. Now, who shop Popo Gary? Who not say Gary eat, but he eat the Popo Gary? Now, he not say Gary the expenses. And he go one make Gary they exist. Maybe we don't see that Popo Gary. If we go even the see Popo Gary, based on say where he help out the time when they grow. Godwin Obaseki have never experienced what we call poverty on his life. His father, Gaius, himself, he take care of Godwin Obaseki as a lovely son. How you go Maria? According to the story, according to the geography. Now not say big man children. Now know they are behave. Papa not the fit up to them, mama not the fit up to them. They will come get one spirit when we say to disobey their father or whatever they are doing. They will teach you they are right because why? Now their life now they come. That is why you go see someone go enter this bobo. You go say my life. Papa will say okay. But ask them in papa or ask in mama. They do this bobo. Now they fit born. No. But based on say none will fit out of picking. If yes, they will give her the privilege and the authority. Now Godwin Obaseki to follow his family. He can't be saying yes. The company when your papa give her Gaius, God will run her down. I go come play on how and I'm go to talk him. Don't worry, before I finish, I go play him. He said, "My brother, I tell him, Pedro." He run that company down. He papa dishonor. They say God will not see papa before he papa. He run useless life to go. Gamma way not fit born, he not fit adopt. You not go fear that gamma. You supposed fear that gamma. Normal when I dey inve, or man walk in here, you go fear that gamma we born. In I no do yagbondo, no do yagbon. In I yagbondo go yagbon. Those are the fallen angels. Maybe me woman now all we adopt. We experience it. Those are the fallen angels. They have no mercy. When they come to you, smile. You will think that they are the angel Michael. They are the angel Gabriel. By the time you understand and lose God without no prayer, you will be the next victim. That is what you're passing. Check out what I'm saying. Free Shaibo, Sagbobo, you are. Sorry, Free Shaibo, Dausa, Temple, Danobi, blah, blah, blah. Danobi to say, when God will not come for him. He have the political leaders. He have the political capacity. But when God will come for him, have you heard it? Danobi again. People will not say my leader is a mighty warrior that you can't push easily. He just waits till that 21st. You know? So my audience people, if you don't want to cyber, if you don't want to go, na la wo okpiana no wa audience na erigi ore omoto no polo na ebotorium so te ota ime no bu na me video uro digbe solar dia na we got me oto e we si solar dia na we la wo got me oto oba gene wo sa solar dia na okoro mi o solar dia na adoka ipa na we gi no me we wa no ma solar dia na ona ye by mistake in wasare wa na vote na so wa ga so adu so be no wa so ni when we see so amame no mi oyi when we be so amame no mi oyi eru wa be so ame no mi wa but okpa no ifa no e do we mi na ma mi se zo o tene do boye ni kodun imame if you not here do toni not here ubi e wo do toni how we do toni we gbe mu dia ni no odo gbo toni odo si eso yo toni e kinera do ye we gbe do ri ni o to wo gi no ga area APC no mu ere iya bo ye ki ogbe e PDP no we gun ere lawa iya ki ogbe ya ge ma no po ne godun e bu PDP new people new people, and he said it 4 years ago. Where I am coming to retire and resign some political leaders. But what are you saying? If you do, how we got doing matter about Balima? Una ye by mistake in Mason without it. Yokoyomo, one ye by mistake your boy as one without. Yokoyomo, one your boy by mistake vote in national without. What are you jagging? I said, not I'm where I wrote back that they got me Yameti Vorion or Teveno at Beveno. A bikini man no be no PDP and do shouts. And don't wait with Mark Bewa any attack because a politics, my but we can use the vocal language when it comes to politics. But they're not that. A new mama will bonnet boy, a new mama will bonnet community. There is no government infrastructure in Newman community. Go to Okobo community where my papa for come, where my papa for come. Go to Avigo community where my papa for come, where my papa for come. There is no government infrastructure. Only waiting I can boast where yes, a government where you are. When Rogide was a senator under PDP, all the time we let campaign. Rogide now we borrow you are. Now be the second borrow after Nabusama Moya will lucky Grenadier. But as we speak, they don't sell some land for inside the same community. Give channel. Without the youth from the community, they are not working in that company. Yeah, only what they do for the youth, the day where they go share to 2,000 naira for waiting money where they give the youth. Then my brother come in. So come on from Benin go take 1,005. So come on go take 2,000. Oh my no guy, the person where said that contract, may we not worry. We they pray, make the model will enter. I have a lot of job to do. Anything that Newman say, for our community to government, we are going to revoke everything back. Without the youth, they are not working. Anything that illegal did by Newman say, when it comes to land property, we are Senator Modo Okpebolo is going to revoke everything back to us. If Bishop who is working with Senator Modo Okpebolo, I don't mind no, and the better way you hire take binani and I don't have your boy yeke. Because if you do, we are having human and we boy yagaje, eya leka and webo. Yage eru wala no to and webo gaje. Yage Newman and webo gaje. Yage Eshanamu and webo gaje. Ya make we all forget Uzamere children. Senator Uzamere. America a family but he bring all of them back. Now, near us what the way commissioner the way SSA. Mona tell me what they don't do for Edo people. If not be rich, they continue rich themselves. But the people that shut up, they are there. God will not use them to commissioner. God will not use them to SSA. He go bring after 8 years of Senator Zamiri under Godwin Obaseki regime. Now, honor yari over here America. When no man over here yalre, a local government or a position not represent. What is the offer to Edo people? There is nothing. In ya vera go de gbedo fun epo. Ana mi po ni Usamere se e gota no Usamere fe. Ame mai so ada wo te do na feel the gota for. Ari go de gbe we gota na with another money. I go de gbe we gota na. Now I don't want you to listen to Numa Ugagbe. For that
That is so clear to you. You have demonstrated over 7 years and have that.
Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki says the rehabilitation of the Benin-Abraka Road will be completed before the end of his tenure. Governor Obaseki made the remark in Orion, elated, appreciated the governor for his developmental stride in Orion local government area.
We want to appreciate you on behalf of Orion people, especially
now. Orion people, the Kinyuma Ogia PDP South. He say PDP Edo South, sorry. The chairman of PDP Edo South, my cousin and my uncle. He said, "Una want appreciate Godwin Obaseki, waiting Godwin don't do for Orion. But me, I know say Godwin not get waiting he do for Orion. If you say you get, you see, or you don't believe her, bring her for me. Make I see her. My number was here, and my number is still here. It was here, and it's still here. Send it to me. But if people may not be person where they do investigation before you come out to live video, when it comes to campaign. I've never seen what Godwin Obaseki. Is it the College of Iguayari? Tell me. Is it the new university when you say you want build, where we know say they come out very soon? Why you not do all those things under 4 years, under 5 years, under 6 years on his government? And I don't know where he more money even when he PDP Mario Bobai. Now I want to say I want to do this, I want to do that. Now new man they tell you say make una thank Godwin Obaseki for what he have done for you. Me I know say when you say when you want to no say kinora me ugwe you so emeni. Ni ro wa no ma ti pa ware all the name of say Sero. They are not doing community activity. They are not doing vigilante activity. Is that waiting new man want them made them do? No. Those people are they still receiving the vigilante money? No. So they want come in the other they say he need 200,000 or rent to work. And you have been under vigilante for 4 years. New man begging you. When we do we go back, no winner under Godwin Obaseki. Dovie Okogo no winner under Godwin Obaseki. And I'm where in you ata no one when wado come say no unwa. Only 5 kilometers on the show between Ugo and Ewesi. What would I do suponi? 4 years ago, if you so that we Godwin Obaseki or dey by sorry, a no gear Ewesi dey by Godwin motel Ewesi munegwen near Yambo. But here time ya wetin ya do agwen yan wina ala pay yan. But again here ya beg me ya wo to no here. Ugbi guy eyan ya mu. China, Lebanon, they are not using the land to hold Gari farm, cassava farm. After the resources come out, after the investors come out, they will now take it to China. When Okaya Mugbo, we give to Yamugbo. When Nerasiana, we give me Yahoo. Now, also la dia, if you a West so are you because a no get no dey by so no get suspend you know. If you West so are you go. I will not say Godwin Obaseki the oppressed palace in government power. So nobody fears the case. Those private sector continue to operate the land. They use and make farm. 4 years ago, I think the investors will not grow. Now they want to carry the mule, come up from the land, go to their foreign country where they for come. What do they need? Road. But Godwin Obaseki, and where the people go to say, now because of them, Godwin do that road. By the time you see that go to trailer, by the time you see foreign trailer go begin carry food come up for them, before you know, under Ashwan region or force you know what, Upoli will make pafuka. I know say Ashwan will not come. So you call you Pastor Sage is a yamu. Pius Egberame Dubu, Ariana General, a yamwe near ya de bakpeboro, Fiorion way because a power of rate not a then now we are to do that. Or no, pana. Oviedo, I'll take a kid on no more. Our Oviedo a pastor no. But let's say we are not racist. Oviedo runner. Now, how can we get some yaro? Now making out your letter. Man, if you could only have a pastor with not your wheel, not your bob back or monage or pebble yeki. And well, I give man one element of pastor or a soldier pastor, my yaki. But true pastor, my yard to pebble because my women are the pastor and a do, I hope pebble having a do. That is why if you see us for 8 years, we follow pastor. We follow around. Because why? A vision the pastor may open. So they were begging here. They are under government before they choose. I want to go to governor. You already seen it. They have done well. You can see the whatever they have done for their people. I beg, but tell me what else I have done. Or Godwin Obaseki, before he come to power, they know you error. Now he's not telling you where they are the one who will come and repair those states. You where they drink or deco. You where they Isha Bush village, not you want to repair those states. Ask them where the day before those states come like this. After they don't thief for America, thief for UK, do fraudster. They want to use and fraud government money, all your money. Have you have police in Lelian? Only a senior thief. The highest thief. They Godwin don't thief. Any jail. You go to thief our money. You go to thief our oil. They will still give you police when they guard you. They will still give you army. They will still give you DSS. Now I make you they bring gas when you go down. Because all those kind of thief now come to Africa. Thief where go the thief where it belong to federal. You go get escorts. Thief where go the thief where it belong to states. You go get DSS, you go get SSS, you go get police where go the protect them. But when you go see thief where thief Maggie, you'll see army where carry gun, you want to go buy. Who wants to make the law? Now this thief where the thief for here, where they thief the land. Now he wants to make the law. I say, yeah, okay, everything. I pass into law. Because why? He want to do everything that will benefit him. It will destroy the people. I don't know where nobody will have the monopoly to do what his father have lived for him. Get in. How can he come and say, well, those arts? We don't want to see your Kagele again. When no idea more Kagele yo, or they governor more Kagele yo. He want to do what he want benefit him. He want to do what he want benefit him. If you don't, if you need to anything now. Who do damn any akpe now? Because a video by akpe, a boy and no go. Yeah, have a time away. About you know your boss, a chosano. Yeah, we analyze a video anyway. Who that way a doorway to mark me never you a doorway no mawa or mawde. If you go for your family home, you must go for outside. If you lead as a leader for your papa house, for your mama house, you must lead for outside. Since all those one not do. Those one where they go for online. Now with the customer infrastructure. Many of them go meet Babalawo. May all those words feed the rich for people body. But we that will describe them to you well, check the background. If we say, well, this canopy way in the fund now, this foundation, whether it started from home, and then you go know say, well, yes, it get wisdom, or it have something to offer. But if you not start out from home, if you talk, tell us say mission. Not be how bad we call the big the party. After 8 years, no young when they Godwin Obaseki, or mommy appointment or pa. I mean, even your search when you go down, or bolo yagbe online, and as I get here. Now, in your canvas, the video you are playing now is from Edo Sat in Manogo. It bring two people come out. That two people, one is still my cousin. And one are listening for waiting talk for them. Wait. I bring the video. We don't agree. We want to have for all those leader hands. Why you by mistake money God why they are here? Now collect. Because we know say well, yes, we have do our best. We have made sure we tell our people, well, yes, this man have nothing to offer. So you people have to hold him accountable. As we talk, we have to follow the rule and regulation. Make sure well, yes, my do people wait they grant the receiver. Please, that is our job. Now we be our leader for now. Our job is that. Where is that video? I come. Give me some more time. I bring the video come out. Now about do the video. He bring this guy come out. My cousin, my uncle, Dickie Newman, and the guy say one represent Kupaka, one represent Orion. So he can't talk about see the video. More listen. Why are you listening? Not clear. See the two guys. See. But see these two men with me. Orion Newman is the council boss. Orion. Dr. Eric Osahede is the council boss. The Kupaka and local government of Barrister Sojoki. Why Orion is there for come? So I don't know to choose whether on one leg is there win local government. He said that I just leader for APC. When they pray say for where will me, they'll fit get access to Edo Church. Now, he said is there Yamuna from Orion. And at the same Orion, now my own uncle, Newman for get eyes now for Godwin Obaseki. He can't talk about the other one. Eric, that one like Kobaka, that one come as a leader for where Barrister Sojoki for come. What you make and call describe these two people? Those are the only two political leaders who remain for Godwin Obaseki, but you see them. My cousin and Eric. You see them? You see two of them. Dickie Newman Ogiagbe and Eric. Eric represents Kobaka when Newman represents Orion. Me, myself, if you say me, we talk about politics. If you say me, we talk about who get idea. If you say me, we talk about who really have a door for mind. Pastor Sagi is saying, Yamu don't play politics. Newman still dey Greece. Already Greece, here see the plates. How about? Just I know your budget. Now you are the talk to. And your people. If not be see finish. You say, if they give Pastor chance, he go join Okwebo, steal our treasury. Waiting make una the force us when the Kavasedo people will be big money. Not be saying we not know the secret of the treasury, what I don't loot. I will not do anything. Not be make una the do one. Even the God do near do ya momo. Even the God do near do ya momo. Where we know say yes. Those places in Asweni here, Yaya Yigoni, Amaye Rockba, Amari Gelegele, aware, airport aware, Shogbe, Idosa Park, Amawe Rockba. You see, that is the system of where Nuwegi Genania, Nabo near do where a governor where Aji Gayo. All now the Tia Ivana, these two people were yes. Those are the scammer or it will beg God no paseki. It can a PDP leader Jivorion. You talk about PDP. Let me say PDP stronghold. Now, but see the people know what he die. The Kinyuma Obiagbe and Honorable Dr. Eric. But me, I know say those guys. The last time I checked, he never tell away the enter inside politics. Case not taken at the same time. Then we got with the enter politics. They are not telling you where they don't draw the draft. Say now we be start Edo politicians. They are not telling you where yes. You don't have any idea to carry your state along or with your people anymore. Okay, tell me, then we have the idea for 8 years. What is the idea? I was saying, it's my brother. I wait till you help him in a way, maybe escape a struggle in it, Vimai or Nimaje. But you know, my life, no waruto, they are doing courtesy activity or Kagele activity, and I'm a vigilante activity. No one way they work for big company for that God University. No one way they work for government or God University. Now, we not doing a community of them. We are in for come. About the man believe who wherever the new market. But based on the case, they may be one on it or where it's from Okogbo community. Me, I come from Avigo community. Okogbo community and Avigo community now leg. Now we take the enter leg like this. Leg. And I saw we take marry. And I saw we take the family. Now he make him who come from Okogbo be my cousin. Now, me I use in your family take give example. About case not taken. The last time I checked, you're not seeing one of the family of this guy, even though you don't come from the blood of the name of the surname. Is you were a community okay, a new man, a you were carry your own mama. Now, new man don't see you where you dey shut up back for 8 years of God in Obaseki. That new man put you for any appointments, or that new man give you any appointments. When we not say about tomorrow, but a community okay, a you were carry. When we so say, when me have give example now, will not be Yoriomo. And they use the family where you for come, where you for come. Take the gift. Just simple example to Edo people to Oriomo. Because our parable say, if masquerades never dance for us, make them see and say go fit dance for outside. They're not gonna push her go outside, make it go dance for outside. Now, Abbas Nobio, you have been working for 8 years under this government of God in Obaseki. Now tell me, what is your appointment? What is your significant or the name of say benefiting from government? Is it the motto where they give you or the money where they give you? But we know say not be that one. Now be beneficial from the government. If you when we're planning, then we get security. Then we have good school. Then we have good environment. And things will be okay for them where area where bullshit. But when we government in America, una view, una mowokan, una go where you let. Umo dia we ike government in anywhere, he will do it. If you say he will do it, you will be the government 8 years. You not get appointments. New man, where you talk say, na be the PDP South, Edo South, na be the PDP chairman. New man, I'm from his family. The one with me senior, na vigilante. The one where that one senior 3 times, na vigilante. The last born, na vigilante. Let's go to the one where he have a new man by AJJ. Francis River, Obo, Oze. A Tony River, OC, Dudolo. A Johnny River, or two and audio, no work, a letter of a uniper. Nothing. Now, Ebo no Niamwe, Batia again. SSN, who went over, Ebo River, Ebo Marigo government there, Otadigo Yekene. All the youths, all of them, they are still selling their papa property, but they shut up back. Now, Newman Junior one be that. Tell me, how many one new one give work? I'm a woman, they are bad on us. But when you man go Greece, he go make am for Europe. Me, I shop him money. But tell me, since when you did other government of Obaseki for 8 years, how many in whole community, sons, and daughter, youth, shopping money? No. But if you say, we talk about mobilization, they always did there with him. That's why for this election, so now waiting me, they tell the whole world now, every time the whole community, and then they listen to me. I say, well, the race, when we take day with Senator Mojo Okpebholo, any more part of the community, man, over 7 community, when you about my community, when you man for come. In your community, where your papa for come, where they for born and gong, that is Okogbo. Have you go? Okogbo, Eweya, Igwe, Igwina, Igbekwe, Ebasogbe, Uboko, Yasugo. Now, all those community in Iwakani, who were any new man carry. Now, inside there, new man for come. The PDP, Edo South. Now, inside there, the main house where you for come, Okogbo, and have you go? My whole community. Now, tell me the investment of Newman for 8 years. For that, about 7 to 8 community in Italy. Error. They can hear we know ya. But man, I ain't Newman. Uronigbe. Ogo. Wesi. Abu we wo do yeka wo do. Man, I ain't Newman. But ekenela kere. Keni ya keje. Okogbo babigo. Mona tell me the government investors no raw. Error. Error. Amawe. Igwe. Or ewe ya no wa ja Okogbo gaga. Error. Igwe no dake weya. Ero. Igbekwe no dake Igbekwe no. Igwe no dake weya. Ero. Igbekwe no dake Igwe. Ero. Ebasogbe no dake Igbekwe. Ero. Ugboko ni yo gboko lori ogede. No dake Ebasogbe. Ero. May we just promote all those we your road in Oluwe wala after Ugboko. All those warrior will be we ga all those wodobian. May we just promote all those one. That the just now that Benin Abraka road now they talk so. All those villages where they cats, they take Benin Abraka road, they're not they lay, they're not they street. Now, even many Benin Abraka road tear them into two. Like our community, the road tear into two. Newman community, the road tear into two. Now people, make una go or mona go video come. Anything God do na Obaseki investment if you day. Mona come say me the bad person of Bowa. But if you not there, I just to expose my home. Wale jawo ye Newman view konyo. Ah wale jawo yo. Eme yobo. Eme yobo. They tell you man, what they will never if you talk about youth, we get soldiers for my family. We have a soldiers. Okogbo and Aviugo, Igwina, Igwe, Eweya, we have a soldiers. Youths. Because I very much want all those can marry 3 women, 4 women, 2 women, 3 women, they're born, so not be 12, not be 13, not be 11. If my papa get 23 children with 2 wives. After death, carry many for his side, we remain by 18 something. May we not talk about the grandchildren. Now my papa can serve and I be that with 2 wives. May we not talk about the one we see on my papa with 2 wives. That one still have the same thing. May we not talk about grandchildren and grand. Now so they are sisters. Now so they still married. Now so they still born the same things. Now so that all those local governments, community when I just can't. Now so they just stay married. Bon from here. Who wear new marriage? Any new marriage you will find. The same things. Any new man have a lady. But tell me, Yam Yarioba way. Here go get no senior Yarioba under PDP. He run councillor for Orion. He may be Botu Flati. I'm waiting a unebe. Under PDP. Lucky Binedio. He run councillor. And the winner. He shop for 8 years. He may be Botu Flati the being. I'm waiting upon the bed. A community going to buy. When the PDP who was a Orion money. Or a PDP or Deco. That's where they measure Deco people now. Who be Deco for Benin? Na PDP. Awe, ovia ba wo yari ra atane, ya vie nware, ya vigore, awe papa wa asili Ghana must go lawa. So te yan do ayi go ya said with PDP. They finish that Orion patapata. Only one person ni maga ane Orion. And I'm where my eminati a government activity or a doctor Garewa from a Basogbe. Doctor Garewa. And Dr. Garewa already appointment NDDC ne. Metu do yekebe, because of where a friend over here. Who do you connect between the area? Do what we not do on when amigo. Dr. Igariba. Even when you're a strong PDP in Malaberi, our NROC, SDP. We start from NROC, SDP before PDP. And our family, now our papa. Now our papa they sit down for table. Well, yes, attire. But it affects their children. Now the same spirit where our papa used that time. Now new man still they use now. Mokbai. Now so your papa play the politics. But the papa is a nice man. But wanna ask me, since when you man enter as Orion or PDP chairman, and those start PDP chairman, what are you people getting? No. How to give you people who at the camp go join for that stupid PDP attack? Now we see for social media. Now we see for everywhere. Now, I have 5 kilometers who go to Ewesi. I wait in love. But when I want motor Ewesi, because do not pass a collect Ewesi land. Give out to private sector. You have to do the road so that private sector will be carrying their goods past that road. Even now we get the community chef, we are not going to enjoy them. Because why? He want to get do have a trailer on to have VM in that game. Okay, get beluwa. Because here in a private company, anything where they do, where they like, they can do it. All the name of MOU, send everywhere. The same thing with Oronibe. The same thing with Oronibe. The same thing with this Sakmba, where Pamo Day, oh yeah. And if you check out all his family, when you're saying your family of Hallelujah, Yane Pedro Abasaki, no, yes, 5 years ago. Okay, jockey. If you see Pedro, you know so about that. They really attack those people. That's demon opponent way. Continue Abasaki, I vote. You run for power. I vote. Who are going to wale? Who are going to because if you work if you don't know your boy way, Ulaya Raje. Also, we're going to fear Commissioner Guria. Bros, and don't decide. Or you'll be empty me, market me. Kate Orion no sabo. Orion no why ugbo mamu. Ima moto amanati amubo. Ima me reserve. Emanati avie no maladia. Ni ma violado. Ni ma tie ko. Now, this man want to come and use chemical and etc. private sector to come and collect people land, and you will suffer for it. And I hope wa hiyo no yabo wa ileki. And then no ileki atama we pa uteyere. Wa ajo to wa e gon nyato we. Eta we we yabo wa Abuja. And then Abuja ata we na we be Abujans. We need our land. Where they so we e went or dominated. Oh, we sell that land. That person where they stay with you for Abuja. I never know your land before. And you go sure. It will sell the land. It will come and be sleeping with you for Abuja. That is cultural capacity. He never know our land before. Now, through this government of Oshomole, he does see the resources where there to people. He knows the ways in their market this time around. When it remains moment, it come out, business on the later. Real estate investments, private sector, or you go where they get crisis for Europe. All of them want to carry their cup to go Africa. They want 5 places they want to put them. Person where they want to give out to. He wants to sell the land finish, give out to them without where he had a day. They will be bringing the people.